I'm going to destroy the soda vending machine. Yes. I destroyed 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 the soda vending machine. Uh-oh. It's Eric Cartman.
My fucking God, Dexter, I can't believe you destroyed the soda vending machine. That's it. I'm going to call your parents. Go home right now.
No 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 no.
Hello, this is Eric speaking. Your son destroyed the soda vending machine. Can you ground him for this? Thanks and goodbye.
Dexter, we just got a call from Eric Cartman. He said that you destroyed the vending machine. That's it. You are grounded for 65 months.
Go upstairs to your room right now.